Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
After being taken by a dragon shortly after Hiccup was born, the whole village of Berk assumed she was dead. Valka, however, chose to stay away out of her own accord, believing her family would be better off without her.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In the case of Book Snotlout, he died as part of his redemption arc, sacrificing himself so that Hiccup can survive and go on to live another day and ultimately maybe save what's left of the archipelago and the dragons. Snotlout is not in the same position as Book.
Let's help you make your mark.
Snotlout was also delighted and surprised that Mala wanted to choose him to be her king, although he did not succeed in the training required. He was also somewhat shocked when Dagur succeeded in passing the trials Mala had set him through, and that she and Dagur had become engaged to be married as a result.
Take our lead.
Valka's bewilderbeast appears from the sky, proudly, while Drago's bewilderbeast emerges from under waves menacingly. Both characters were also killed in the same fight by Drago's bewilderbeast. Valka's bewilderbeast was directly killed by it, while Stoic was killed by Toothless, who was under its control.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.